Look at the beautiful star fruit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a starfruit melon juice. Alright, so I have in this bowl roughly 3 medium starfruit cut up, and I have like 2 slices of melon in the bowl, and I have some ginger. Alright, I have my blender, my water, and I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna be adding the fruits to the blender. Look at this color, look at this shape guys, star fruit. Look at it. It's a star. I guess that's why it's named starfruit. But it's a star. I'm gonna add the water. And I have water guys. So I'm gonna add this. Because I hardly use sugar, I'm gonna use the blue agave to sweeten the taste. Right? Yes. So I'm gonna use roughly about 40 tablespoons. It's not too sweet and it's organic. Alright. Use 4. Alright, so we don't want it sweet, too sweet. We just want it refreshing. Alright. Put this aside. Over, and I'm going to blend guys. All done guys. I'm gonna glass this now. I'm gonna strain it and then I'm gonna glass it. Alright. This aside. I'm gonna strain it. Hot. This right there. I'm gonna glass it guys. In my glass I have some cube ice for me to have it as cool as I can because it's hot. And then I'm gonna pour this on it. Look at that beautiful color guys. The melon gives it a very beautiful color. And there you have it guys. My starfruit melon juice. Let me taste it. Guys, this one is really refreshing and really nice. So go ahead and try it. Go ahead and check it out. You will love it. Alright? Very nice guys. And the ginger is awesome in it. So go ahead and try it guys. So remember to like my video, share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what to think about this nice refreshing juice. Alright guys, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye. Look at the beautiful star fruit.